I am not gonna buy one of these. I shall read for you the description. Magic electric arc lighter, high voltage igniter, handheld spark generator, thumb starter fire flame. What? Thumb? Magic tricks? Thumb? Um, I thought it was just something you push the button on the front and it creates an arc so you can light cigarettes, with like a thumb phallic shaped thing. Then I clicked on the pictures. Okay, yeah, the size of a thumb. Um, um, and then I started to remember things we used to make back in the olden days on sessions, and we would actually improvise things that were discrete to do a job. And then I'm looking at this, I'm thinking, it's a taser that you wear on your thumb. You basically, what you have is a prosthetic thumb that you can wear over your own thumb, and then you shake somebody's hand, you are tasering them. It's a taser that you wear on your thumb. That's fucking awesome. I'm not buying one, but that's fucking awesome. I'll shake hands with my junky neighbour to make up. You won't piss straight. Anyway, yeah, I thought I had to share. AliExpress keeps on surprising me.